The blockchain technology has made its way to almost every aspect of economy, industry, and so many other domains. Some countries are considering transferring their exchange markets from a traditional financial system to one that is based on the blockchain technology. Many industries are beginning to utilize the blockchain technology in order to facilitate their affairs and increase their efficiency. Soon we will be witnessing a trace of blockchain in all daily affairs of life. As the applications of the blockchain technology grow and this technology is being accepted by more and more countries, so does the need for platforms that offer services in the domain of the blockchain technology. Counos Platform, established in 2018, is based in Switzerland and offers many services in the domain of the blockchain technology and the cryptocurrencies. The main aim of Counos Platform is to establish an economic community based upon the blockchain technology so that its members could further their aims with the help of this technology and through this community like the citizens of a country. Since ultimately, a large network of decentralized systems is created, all the power within various individuals, communities, and economies would be gathered in one place. Thus, the borders will diminish and people from all around the world and from any country will be able to engage in financial affairs and create wealth and value. All of this is possible because of the large community and club that is created and the connections, possibilities, and tools that exist in them. This created financial system and society, that has blockchain as its bedrock, can make many fundamental changes in the human societies. By offering a wide variety of stablecoins, cryptocurrencies, and online financial services, Counos Platform provides safer global financial trades and investment in the digital market. In addition to the cryptocurrencies and stablecoins offered by the Counos Platform, this blockchain platform also offers a variety of other services, including Counos Decentralized Exchange, Counos DEX, Counos Escrow, Counos Payment Gateway, Counos Web Wallet, and Counos Mobile Wallet. Additionally, Counos Platform is going to create different tools and utilities in order to create a safer and larger economic system. Tools and utilities such as election system, certificate issuance system, and many other. These features will create even more value and wealth. Also, all these features are carried out using the coins offered by Counos, which will make them so much more valuable.